Center of Excellence for Penile Implant Surgery. Let's talk about a little bit deeper in this topic. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Yashar Basha. I'm consultant andrologist from Istanbul, specialized in prosthetic urological field, and today I would like to talk to you about our new award from Coloplast related with Penile Implant Surgery Center of Excellence. As you all know, we are a high-volume center, especially located in Istanbul, Turkey, for prosthetic urology and andrological treatment. Our main focus is the treatment of premature ejaculation and penile implant surgery. As you all know, I always mention about that we are one of the highest volume of the European zone, especially in Turkey, and we are one of the high-quality center for penile implant surgery. This is our award from Coloplast for Center of Excellence as penile implant surgery. This is a good award for us because we have to prove that we have a good number of implant surgery and we have good outcomes after the surgical treatment, and we participate especially in educational part of penile implant surgery. As you all know, it's really very important to have an academic world and a business model, and a good surgical outcome and a dedicated team for penile implant surgery is very crucial, because you may be a good surgeon but you need a good team to get a best outcome after implant surgery, or you have to be a good surgeon but you have to be in the educational part of penile implant surgery, and you have to have a great technique and you have to teach your technique to other doctors who wants to perform the surgical treatment. This is the award that proves that we are doing both all of these comments that I tell you just in seconds, and this proves that we are one of the best center in the world to perform penile implant surgery. We have some advantages, especially the affordable price with the good hospitals, with great techniques and with great surgeons and with a great team. I always mention these factors that because the prices are very good in Turkey, in Istanbul. Istanbul is a great city to see around. When you are here, you will have a great experience with our team. You will just buy your flight ticket and you will come to Istanbul. We will take you from airport and then we will organize everything related with surgical treatment and to have a great time in Istanbul related with surgery, and especially for aftercare, because you know sometimes you are afraid that if there is any problem, how can I solve my problem? It's really very big issue for patients coming abroad, coming for international health tourism. You are very secure in this place, and this award is really very important for us. Thank Coloplast team, Coloplast Turkey team, to share their experience and good thoughts with us, because we have a huge experience with the best quality implants. I always tell my patient that to have the best outcome after surgery with the penile implant, the first and most important thing is the surgeon and his technique. The second one is the team. If the team is dedicated with the surgery, the complications, the infection rates are very low. The hospital, the environment also very important. But one of the most important point is the implant itself. If you are using a low quality implant with high failure rates, you will not be satisfied after 6 months or 1 year of surgical treatment. Even you get a great surgery, after 1 year, if your device failures, you will not be satisfied and unhappy after the surgery. But if you have a good implant which stays with you more than 15 years, 20 years, you will be happy after surgery. If you choose a good doctor, if you choose a good surgeon, surgical technique and a great implant, the result will be outstanding for you. I offer my patients generally to do it with minimal invasive infrapubic approach, which I learned from Professor Gabriele Antonini, and he is one of the close friend and colleague of Dr. Paul Perito. We are following the way of Dr. Paul Perito to do our surgeries. It's a great technique. Thanks Dr. Perito and Dr. Antonini for the great contribution to this technique. I follow their route to do this surgery, and it's really very important to have a great technique with the implant, because you have to choose your technique and you have to improve it to give more satisfaction to your patients. We have great outcomes. You can ask my team our before after results with our patients. We have many tons of patients which we operated before. You can get some connection with them to learn about their experience, how they got surgery, how was their time in Turkey, how was the experience, how was surgery, how was result. You can ask them and you can have much more information about these topics. Please contact us if you think of implant surgery with affordable price, with high quality service and a great surgery. Keep in touch with us. Have a great day.